आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, आहा टमाटर बड़ा मजेदार, एक दिन.
Deep in the backyard, there lies 30 plus species. But today we will be looking at one of the 30 species, and that is the caterpillar. Its only purpose in life is to eat your finest trees and crops. The caterpillar moves in a unique way like no other animal, like this. When they feel threatened, they have spasm attacks. This is so boring. All they do is crawl. Move! Move! Do something! Yay, finally he did something, he fell. And we're back to the same regular boring. Why? Just stop crawling, do something like dance. I am sick and tired. Just do something. I'm so bored. Do something. What if I just crawled around on a log all day and didn't talk and just ate? Oh yes, we got something very exciting. Another person. Let's see what they do when they meet. Oh my gosh. And he has a spasm. They're meeting. Oh, he's going away. Very close together. The orange caterpillar seems to appear dead, while the green caterpillar is having spasms. This is your entertainment for the day. For our next adventure, we will head deeper into the trees. In order to get any animal to come, you must call it. It sounds like this. Ka-ka! 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 The problem is, there's like no movement. The only movement is wind in the backyard. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video because nothing is happening. And I'm tired of talking like this. Like I'm so entertained, but I'm not. I'm just narrating and it's not even fun to narrate. I'm just narrating caterpillars just walk, eat, and the wind. No, just bye. Oh yeah, thank you for 30 Instagram followers.